How to add Passkey to Roblox account. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Passkey to your Roblox account. So this lets you log in using your Face ID or your fingerprint. So here's how you can fix it. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox application on your mobile device. Once you're logged in with your specific account, tap on the More section from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and go to Settings. Now in the settings, go to Account Info, and you will see the Add Passkey option, which is under the login methods, and it will indicate either passwords, login with your fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock. Tap on Passkey, and passkeys are the most secure and easy way to log into your Roblox account. So for security, only set up passkeys on your personal devices. So go ahead and tap on Continue. Roblox will send an 6-digit code to your email address. Simply check your email and enter the code. And once the code is verified, tap on Continue and verify using your Face ID or fingerprint. Now you can log in to your Roblox account using your Face ID or your fingerprint. And to remove the passkey, you can go ahead and open your account info. Over there, tap on Manage, which is next to passkey, and then tap on Delete icon next to your passkey. Delete key to confirm. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.